Bags? Packed. Camera? Ready. Knowledge? In my head. Can't wait for tomorrow. But the story that follows is a bit dreamy and magical. Who'd have thought that falling asleep would take me to the mountain in Confucius's hometown, at the Nishan Sacred Land. Wow, this is incredible. A huge Confucius statue right in front of me. And so my day as a Confucian scholar begins. Confucius, whose given name was Cho and courtesy name Zhongni, was a native of the state of Lu during the spring and autumn period. Teacher honorification is the first lesson for a Confucian scholar. Respect teachers as you respect your parents. That is, students salute their teacher with folded hands and offer dried meat as a token of respect. The second lesson of the day is to hand copy the Analects. The Analects of Confucius records the sage's dialogues with his students. As you walk through the 72 sages corridor at Nishan Sacred Land, you'll feel you're walking through their stories. Maybe you feel you're part of them too. Let's go back to the hall where I hand copied the Analects. Here, now I'm writing the lines of those dialogues and learning the meaning of it. Hey, look at my calligraphy. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? Propriety, music, archery, charioteering, calligraphy, and mathematics. These are the 6 arts. These are one of the foundations of Confucian culture. Here at Luyuan Village in Nishan, you can try out these skills.
正而孔子呢，是从6个方面来教学生学习技能的。那其中的射呢，就是说的射艺了。在《论语八佾篇》中也讲到了，说君子无所争，必也射乎？揖让而生，下而饮，其争也君子。其实射箭比赛呀，说是比的技术，倒不如是比的德行和自我的修养。
After trying out the 6 arts, feel the essence of ancient China by roaming the streets of Luyuan. Ooh, kind of hungry. Just had a big meal, and now a stroll through Luyuan Village is a must. Let's go. You see, what a wonderful dream to have. Hey, wait a second. I don't think that was a dream.